the domain, that's a set of input values, and the range is a set of output values. So in our case, here, these numbers here, these are in the domain, so let's write that. So let's write a curly brace for our set and include these numbers, -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. And our range, that's going to be the set of numbers in the outputs, in the y value, so that's going to be 7. Now, even though it appears more than once, we only need to write it once because 7 appears, that's one of the values in the range, and 8 and 9. That's it. So what we want to do here is we want to simplify this expression. Now, look at this radical here. Square root of 3, we can't simplify that, and x, we can't do anything with that. This exponent is smaller than the index. Now, the index here is a 2. We just don't write the 2. So whenever the index is bigger than the power inside, this is simplified. But over here, we can do some things. 27, we can break that down. And then we can also simplify inside here. You know, this index is a 2 where the exponents are 3. These exponents are bigger. These powers are bigger than the index. So we can take some things out. We can take out some x's and some y's. Let's see how to do this. Okay, this index right here is a 2. I'm going to write it this time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. Here's a nice process for doing this. I'll take the index, divide it into the exponent like this. So for the x, let's analyze the x. We'll get 2 into 3. Okay, I'm taking the index into the exponent, 2 into 3. Now 2 into 3 will go once with the remainder of 1. And what that tells us then is that 1x will come out of the radical and 1x will remain under the radical. Let's do the same thing for the y's. I've got 2 into 4, so let's write that now. So for y's, we'll have 2 into 4. Well, that'll go 2 times with remainder 0, meaning that we can take 2y's out of the radical and 0 remain in the radical. So no y's left into the radical. So look what we have now. Now we have 7 of these things, and we're going to subtract 3 of those same things. Our things are these xy squared square roots. Xy squared square roots. So we've got 7 of them here, 3 of them here. So, you know, in our head, maybe what we're thinking is this. In our heads, we're thinking, oh, I've got 7 minus 3 of those xy squared square roots of 3x's, or 4 xy squared square roots of 3x.